Once upon a time, in a magical land known as Sweetopia, there existed a world where every child's dream came true. In Sweetopia, chocolate rivers flowed gracefully, winding their way through valleys of candy-coated mountains. The air was filled with the sweet aroma of sugar, and marshmallow clouds drifted lazily in the cotton candy sky. In this whimsical land, there lived a young girl named Lily. She had a heart as sweet as the candies that adorn the trees, and her laughter was like the tinkling of wind chimes made of jelly beans. Lily loved to explore the enchanting corners of Sweetopia, where surprises awaited at every turn. One day, as Lily wandered along the banks of the chocolate river, she noticed a peculiar sight, a caramel bridge that seemed to lead to a mysterious island. Intrigued, Lily decided to embark on an adventure across the sticky sweet bridge. As she crossed over, the caramel beneath her feet was soft and bouncy, making her journey feel like a delightful dance. On the other side, she discovered a hidden garden where lollipop flowers bloomed in vibrant colours. Each flower had a distinct flavour, from strawberry swirls to lemony twirls. In the heart of the garden stood a colossal candy castle, and guarding its gates was a friendly gummy bear named Bubbles. Bubbles, with a twinkle in his eyes, invited Lily inside to meet the Candy Queen, ruler of Sweetopia. The Candy Queen, draped in a gown of spun sugar, welcomed Lily with open arms. She explained that Sweetopia thrived on the joy and laughter of children, and that Lily's kindness had made her a cherished guest in this sugary realm. To express her gratitude, the Candy Queen granted Lily a magical lollipop that, when twirled, could make any flavour appear. Excitedly, Lily gave it a spin, and before her eyes, a rainbow of flavours burst forth, creating a delightful spectacle. Lily's adventure continued as she shared her magical lollipop with the inhabitants of Sweetopia. Together, they organised a grand feast where candies of all shapes and sizes came to life, dancing to the rhythm of laughter and joy. As the sun dipped below the peppermint horizon, casting a warm glow across Sweetopia, Lily realised that this magical land thrived on the sweetness of kindness and the joy of sharing. With a heart full of gratitude, she bid farewell to her newfound friends, knowing that Sweetopia would always hold a special place in her dreams. And so, in the land where chocolate rivers flowed and marshmallow clouds floated in the sky, Lily's adventure became a cherished tale, passed down through generations, inspiring children to believe in the magic of kindness and the sweetness of dreams.